Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to draw two super cute characters, Mabel and King George from Hoppers. Let's go. First, we begin with Mabel. Start by drawing two small pupils, nice and simple. Now draw two circles around them. And just like that, her eyes are done. Next, let's add her nose. Draw a smiling mouth. Make it big and cheerful. Don't forget her two front teeth, slightly uneven. That's what makes Mabel extra cute. Now draw her eyebrows, nice and soft. Then sketch the outline of her head. Great job so far. Are you keeping up? I bet your drawing looks awesome already. Let's move on to her arms. Draw her little hands close together in front of her body. Now continue down to her lower body. Add her tail, slightly curved outward, and finally draw her little feet underneath. Perfect! Mabel is all sketched out. Now let's draw King George. Again, start with two pupils. Add his nose next. Draw a big smiling mouth. And yes, don't forget his two uneven front teeth. Now draw his eyebrows. Then outline his face. Add two small ears on both sides, and of course, draw a crown on top of his head. He is King George after all. Now let's draw his arms. Then continue with his body. Add his legs at the bottom, and finish with his beaver tail, curved nicely to the side. Awesome! The line drawing is complete. Now it's time for coloring. Use a warm brown color for Mabel's mane fur. For her chest and lower face, use a lighter brown or a creamy beige. Color her hands and feet with a darker brown. For the tail, use a slightly lighter brown tone. Now color King George in a similar way, but make his fur a bit darker than Mabel's so they look different. Wow, look at that! Your drawing is coming to life. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which character you like more, Mabel or King George. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you in the next video. Bye!